Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Explorer. First, ensure your engine is cool to the touch to prevent burns. Gather your new oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench for the drain plug, and a filter wrench. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and safer. Always consult your owner's manual for specific oil type and capacity recommendations. Once you have your drain pan positioned, carefully loosen and remove the oil drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly, so keep your hands clear. Let the old oil drain completely, which usually takes several minutes. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain hole and securely reinstall the drain plug. Do not over-tighten it. Now, carefully remove the old oil filter using a filter wrench. Be aware that some residual oil may drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about 1/4 to 1/2 more turn. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the filler cap. After adding the new oil, replace the filler cap and start your engine for a minute to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Remember to properly dispose of your old oil. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.